Hey, so if VPN is not working in Zen Browser like it won't connect, keeps disconnecting, or websites still detect your real location, yeah, that usually comes down to network conflicts. Browser settings or blocked connections. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Zen Browser VPN not working step by step. All right, first, close Zen Browser completely and reopen it to reset the VPN session. Make sure your internet connection is stable because VPN cannot connect properly on weak or unstable networks. Turn off the VPN, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on to refresh the connection. Some VPN servers can be overloaded or blocked, so switch to a different location. Extensions like ad blockers or security tools can sometimes interfere with VPN connections. Corrupted cache files can affect network behavior, so clearing cache may help fix VPN issues. If you have another VPN or proxy running on your system, turn it off because it may conflict with Zen Browser VPN. Make sure Zen Browser is updated because VPN features often depend on the latest network fixes. If nothing works, reinstall Zen Browser completely to reset VPN configuration files. And yeah, that's it. These fixes should help get VPN working again in Zen Browser without connection issues.